Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video includes me cooking different meals throughout the week, so you guys will get a chance to see what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And yeah, it's just different meals that I eat throughout the week, or just to show you guys some simple recipes. On this particular day, I cooked some ground turkey and I cut up some onions and peppers. And I also had some vegetables that was going bad. So what I did was I cooked zucchini squash and asparagus together. And I also made some cauliflower rice and mixed it all together, and I made some potatoes. Okay, my chat partners. So one of the things that I love to do is I love to write down the foods that I eat throughout the day. I love to keep track of what I eat for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. It's just something that helps me in case if I had a good week or a bad week, I can always go back and look at what I ate and then just, spruce up some recipes or just add something or take something away to my daily menu. I hope everyone is enjoying my video so far. And if you are enjoying this video, hit that like button and comment down below. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a chat partner. So now I am making a smoothie. And guys, let me just tell you, I love making smoothies. I drink a smoothie just about every other day. And the reason why I like making smoothies is because I can get my fruits and vegetables in, and then I can also get other vitamins that I take on a daily basis. I can actually add it to my smoothie instead of taking them in like pill form or liquid form. Guys, I really, really do enjoy making a smoothie. It's just something about just mixing up the recipes and just, mixing different fruits together, different vegetables together, just different nutrients as far as vitamins. Okay, my chat partners, so now we have come to the end of this video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, stay safe, take care, and be blessed. Bye, guys.